up? Hey. Go. Hey. Project baby, block boy, shoot but I ain't JB. Brand new Glock, 35, nickname that big Katie. OG found my pipes in the crib, a $1.80. She ain't say shit, she just told me she gon' pray for me. I'm so deep up in the streets, the path can't even save me. I don't care who ride with me, all I need is switching me. All the T, 3 PTs, sippin' lean, get money, chasing cream by any means. Hey, brand new SRT, it's a difference between you and me. I ain't got no lease and I'm a wolf and I don't hang with sheep. Bitch, I'm pistol P, you lil' bo T. Bitch, I'm quick to squeeze, like my bitch up in them jeans. Tweaking, it's a green, hit him with it to get itchy, scratch the scene. I see them bodies in my dream, mama hate that I'm a fiend. I can't stop abusing lean, trying to chase my dreams, but I'm running from demons, man I ain't running from shit. Big ass blick on my hip, he tried to dip but he tripped. Damn, what happened to shorty, he got hit all in this shit. I know he pissed, don't go to clubs, but you can book me in your shit. I got a sack, then ran right to fifth. What I spent a brick, ran it up 100 plus, thinking should I ice my wrist? Man, hell no, I'ma take that shit. Put you on the bench, we'll play that shit. We get your bitch in and run around naked as shit. Man, folks trying to chain on that bitch. Put a dub on the car, David Blaine this bitch. I just made the whole thing disappear. I see a killer whenever I look in the mirror. Folks coughing about, gotta talk in the real. Catch a guy bad, we hit him, get rid of him. I'm sick of him, I send my daughter go get him. My shorty a butt pop, perk like they riddling. He get the physical car, put out the picture. Did on my own, but I came my niggas through all this pain, little nigga, we did it. Already rich, just trying to get richer, boy. Fuck all the Oxford shit, shots at them niggas. I ain't with all that diss, made a Debbie my witness. Snakes in the grass, I can hit their ass hits. Little B in the back with that beanie on business. You know I'm 10 for 10, I ain't doing no miss. Hey, bitch, I ain't doing no mess. You put niggas in the house, man. I'ma keep on tweaking.
You gonna drop that thingy?
So turn it back over. Then I get this. I get the fucking boat. What we did today is, let me turn it back over for y'all. So I put silicone on this cooler, oil cooler before, but I went on ahead and got the correct gasket for it. Didn't really know it was a gasket, so went on ahead and bought the gasket for it, tightened it back down, and we got that going. So what's next? Cylinder heads are still getting ported. Gonna be a while on the cylinder heads. Also, remember I told y'all we was missing a main bolt. End up getting a new one for this one right here, if you all can find it. Let's see if we can find a missing bolt. All right, it's right here. I'm gonna just tell y'all. All right, that's my missing bolt. Jaguar does not list any of these bolts, or nor do they list any main type of information. So, you know, most you can find is the main cap, torque specs, and things like that, but you won't find the bolts. I had to get this custom made from ARP. I'll show you those when they get in. It's not gonna be a hex head, but it shouldn't be a problem because it should be all right. We really just need this one. Make sure we torque it down good. Also, we're gonna go back over the caps and everything to make sure after they've been torqued down the first time that they're still good, because these are torque to yield bolts, but Jaguar doesn't offer the main bolts anywhere, so did have to reuse those. Yeah, so more than likely I'm gonna be replacing this one bolt, and then we'll be able to close up the bottom end until it's time to do the timing chain. And yeah, timing kit, and then everything else we'll just be waiting on the heads to get back from being ported. Well, not get back, you know, because we do everything in-house. But yeah, I'm also thinking about getting new connecting rod bolts. Found those, they do list those. I was reading on Jaguar forums how serious they are about changing those, and I think I'm gonna just go ahead and change them. Don't wanna, you know, risk it. So more than likely change those. And, you know, that's pretty much it for today. Catch y'all later.